A po0599. Well, I'll show you what it is and where we're going to replace it, and hopefully it won't be too bad. Let's get started. Alright, boys and girls, this is what I got to replace. There's the part number. And this is one thing they changed was at least it's all metal now. That's what we got to replace. And the thing that went bad is the little heater right here. And it can't you can't replace it. It's part of it. And you can't just buy the stupid housing. So that's what we got. This is one of the best tools I've ever bought right here. Especially when you got things that are down there hidden where you can't even get a pair of pliers or something with it. Alright, let's see, we got the plug right here. Alright, this is a 10mm. We're going to take this bracket off. I can't get to that other thing. It's got to come off anyway. Supposed to be able to squeeze that thing together, but been on there so dang long. What I did was get it behind these two little ears, pry it out. Let's see, now we got one more plug. Find one of the clamps. You just squeeze in that little ear right there and pull on it. So let's take these bolts out. You got one here, one there, and one underneath. Let's see what size they are. Well, they ain't a 10. It must be an 8. Yep. They're mostly 8s. What did I have? That one bolt was a 10, that nut. just lost that. It's down in the damn pan. Where the hell's the other one at? Trying to tuck all this crap in there. We're gonna get to it. Now I think we're in business. Hopefully y'all can see that, where in the hell that's at. That should come off. Yay! All that just because of that right there. That's ridiculous. Damn shit made out of plastic. As you said, it's been leaking for a long time. But there's a little heater inside this thing. It goes bad. Yep, let me clean up and we'll put it back on. Alright, I cleaned up everything. I put a little silicone on the pipe here. It has a rubber gasket. Well, it didn't come with one, so I used the old one. Put a little silicone around it. Hopefully it won't leak. So, if any of y'all watching, y'all might want to get a rubber O-ring for that. If not, just silicone it like I did. Should work. So, let's put it back on. I done put the bolts back in it. It did slide in. I won't tighten them all up. I'm just going to crisscross them here. We gotta make sure they're on there straight. Alright, well that was easy enough. Easier putting it on than it was taking it off. Except this one, I'm sure. So I gotta get down in there. Remember, you want to start these things by hand. We don't want them cross-threaded. Now we got this one, little bracket. Looks like a little notch right up there that it got to go on with. Now I gotta find my nut. So plug that back in. That's the heater that went bad. Stupid. This thing slides back on the, well, unless it broke. You don't really get it. Damn, it didn't fit very tight at all. I hope that don't leak. Now we're gonna put our hoses on. We're done. But a little persuasion. Well, there we go, guys. Put some water in it, and it'll be done.